Hey guys, how's it going? KW Hotels, alright. Got something a little bit different for you guys today. Never stayed at one of these before, so I'll tell you how it was. We are here in Williamsburg, Virginia, at a Hilton Vacation Club. Alright. There's two of these here in Williamsburg. This is the one we're at, the Historic Powhatan Williamsburg. Alright. So there's the address and stuff right here. We're in unit 53B. This is a interesting unit. This was the cheapest unit. I got this on employee rate. Paid 66 bucks after tax on employee rate. It's normally 122 bucks plus resort fee. There was normally a $25 resort fee, but employee rate with Hilton, nice thing is you don't have to pay resort fee, so that's cool. So yeah, this is their cheapest unit. It's a 1-bedroom unit. And they have 2 bedrooms, 3 bedrooms, 4 bedrooms. I think maybe 6 bedrooms here. Some units have fireplaces. Are all a little different, obviously. So this is the cheapest one I could get with my employee rate. So yeah, let me show you around this 1-bedroom unit. I'll start outside. So there's unit A. So we're here on unit B right here. So you walk in this little hall. Right here, you got your little assigned parking spots. All their units around. This complex is pretty big. You got your little doorbell for A and B. Walk in this little hallway. Alright, we're in unit B, right here, where we started. Okay, so this is what makes this room unique. About to show you. All our security's good. I already showed you the map. Yeah, I don't know why they put the sign up here. I don't know why they couldn't cover up the old one, but okay. This nice Virginia picture. View of outside. Okay. This is a upstairs suite. And I can probably tell you why in a second, why this is the cheapest unit they have on property. So, alright, we're going upstairs. We got 2 bathrooms up here in this unit. Okay. So when you walk in, we got the kitchen area. And right here, you got your little table to eat and stuff. We got our TV right here in the kitchen. That's nice. Okay. We got our full-size kitchen. You know, we got all the utensils, pots and pans, all that good stuff that we're gonna need if you need to stay here long term. Paper towels, coffee maker, oven, everything's clean. This place is very clean. You know, it has some maintenance issues, but maybe a little bit. This whole could use a refresh, a little dated, but they have a full washer and dryer, and they do give you laundry detergent on hand. And I want to go over some of the, I don't have the map in front of me, but they do have an on-site bar and restaurant. They have a tennis court. Look like an old basketball court indoor, but they have a ping pong table in there, playground. They have a nice size heated indoor pool with 2 hot tubs. Love that. Love that they have the hot tubs, and they have an outdoor hot tub and outdoor pool, but it's closed on here in December, which is understandable. So, 2 trash cans. Stuff for your sink stuff. And so full-size refrigerator, freezer, ice maker. Okay. Got our thermostats. You know, we got stuff like this. Marks up and could use some touch-up paint. Not that big of a deal. Yeah, you know, stuff like that, just next, you know, whatever. This is where our HVAC equipment, HVAC equipment is stored here. I'm here. Here's the first bathroom. These are all full bathrooms in here, so that's pretty nice. You see, it's this long, narrow, skinny bathroom right here. Got our bath amenities. A little warm right there, not that big of a deal, but got a sink here, toilet. We got a shower in here. Water pressure is good here. I use the other bathroom, the master bedroom. Show you that in a sec. Yeah, when you go to take a shit, you sit right here, this close, staring at the wall. The bathroom's kind of crammed in here, but it's there for a second bathroom, and it works fine as the second bathroom. Okay, this is really the only bedroom technically. Okay, so this has a king bed, primary bedroom. Only bedroom in the suite. Okay. We got our dresser here and everything. We got our ceiling fan. Oh, hold on. Alright. Sorry about that, guys. I did request late checkout and they didn't see the truck out there or something. So, yeah, he asked me if I was checking out. That's what happened there. So, yeah. So, back to the bedroom. We do have doorbells here too. Anyways, got a TV. Give us a bigger TV in here. You know what? 50, 55 inch, maybe. Got our closet. Our things are inside. Touch up paint. Safe. Luggage rack. Fire extinguisher. Nightstand. Address if you want to stay here. Outlets by the bed. Like that. Okay. Here's our view out the window. It's nice. It's a nice wooded area back here. I do like that. These downstairs units has a skylight and balconies. This one doesn't. That'd be cool to have a unit like that maybe one time. Nice big mirror. Touch up paints. Master bathroom. Sink. Toilet. We got a nice tub. A nice deep tub. And it's made if you want to lay down in it. That's why I slanted right there. Oh yeah, we got that. Nice shower head. Nice pressure here. Bath amenities. Okay, another pan in the bedroom. Okay. This is why it's clean. Now here's the interesting part of this room here. We got another upstairs little loft area. Okay. It's weird how they have carpet going up on this little nook right here. That's carpet going all the way. Weird. Okay, we're going up. Up here is, I guess, is technically your living room. technically is your living room and your living room area. And as you see, we have a sofa bed up here. We got a sofa bed up here, so you can sleep another person here if you don't get two beds. We got another TV up here, which is awkwardly out like this. You can't push the TV stand all the way back because the TV will hit the slanted ceiling. This is a newer sofa bed mattress. If you ever stayed in any other hotels, they have a crappy old springy mattress for a sofa bed. And it feels like you're sleeping on a bunch of springs, metal springs. This one's newer. I didn't sleep up here. I slept in a bedroom downstairs, but I did feel it is not as bad as the other ones. And they look newer too, so that's good. We do have another heat and AC split unit up here for a person up here. You don't do that, even though you got vents right here and vents right here, so you control the whole temperature throughout the whole place. But you do have that if you want to control your temperature up here. So you got this little square door right here. I don't know what this goes to. It's locked. But that is there. So another pan of the upstairs area right here. I mean, I think this is a nice place to watch TV right here. I think this is a nice place to watch TV. You know, this is not folded out. It's not a bad little living room area, in my opinion. So who's this unit suite type layout best for? I want to say, I mean, could be good for families if you could sleep two kids up here on a pull-out couch, right? And fold this up during the day to have your living room area up here. But I would say maybe couples, because you got your bedroom downstairs, and you just keep this folded up, and you have this as your living room up here. Um, yeah, because we couldn't really find where to hang out last night. We just had to hang out at the kitchen table because this was folded out. So, yeah, interesting room. I could have gone a regular one bedroom suite with not upstairs ground level. Maybe we've got on the balcony and a skylight, maybe. But what's the fun in that? I saw it had stairs in it, so this is what the stairs entail. So yeah, Hilton Vacation Club. Could use some updates. This carpet probably has been around for a while. I would say replace the carpet. Do a new paint color in here. It's just all neutrals. You know, the furniture, seen a little bit better days. All the cabinets are in good shape. You know, you'll see stuff like that worn, but for what I pay, $66, phenomenal deal. They do have a lot of stuff on property. So yeah, in Williamsburg, Virginia, you want a rental place like this, and the price is right, I would say go for it. And one more thing I want to add: I am a Hilton Gold member, and I am part of the Hilton Gold status is free upgrades. They would not give us one when clearly this place is not filled up. He wasn't nice. The person that checked in wasn't that was kind of rude. I'm gonna be honest. I will say that. Didn't get a room upgrade. And yeah. And he was just the person checking us in was kind of rude altogether. And another thing to note: check out is 10 o'clock. It's 10 o'clock here, not 11 o'clock like a regular hotel, which I don't know why. I asked for a late checkout and they gave me 11 o'clock. But since again I'm a gold member, and for example, I'm a gold member, they normally, if I'm staying in a regular hotel, instead of giving me 12 o'clock checkout, they give me 1 o'clock. So they just give me an extra hour here, and I called again, and I didn't even think they looked my name up in the system and saw my gold status. And I called them again and told them gold status, and they said, okay, we can give you till 12 o'clock checkout. So I had to call twice for that, and they did not give me my 2 bottles of water. So we'll see if I get the bonus points. So maybe customer service can be a little bit better here. And as you can see, I had to stop the camera because they did not communicate that I had a late checkout. So yeah. So yeah. If you like what you see, please like, share, and subscribe. And KW out.